Hey guys, welcome to beautiful Decatur, Georgia. This is a property I bought subject to. In fact, this house right here has 3 subject to loans on it. 3. There are 3 subject to loans, and I'll have my team actually put a image of the finalized HUD, the settlement statement with the title company, in the edit. But this is a new Airbnb for me, 1931 Willow Way in Decatur, Georgia. This is a property that I absolutely was afraid of because it's kind of smaller house, but man alive, my Airbnb manager Noah did such a great job. I never had to talk to the seller one time. This was a property that was brought to me by somebody else that did not know how to do subject to, and luckily I was able to just take over the contract and close escrow on the deal. And so I'm going to walk you guys through it today, and then I'll probably do a part 2 of this so you guys can see how much money it's going to make. I love Georgia so much. I don't know why. People ask me all the time why I love it. I would guess that it's just the charm. As you guys can see, there's trees everywhere, right? Like, this is just Atlanta. I don't know what's in there. I probably won't even go in there. I don't even care, but it's a big, long, deep lot. I think what I'm going to do back here is I'm going to do something, clean this up, maybe put a porch or a patio out here and cut a hole in the wall because there's really no livable space out here. I think I need to put a porch back here somewhere. You'll see inside the house. It's super cute, but it's missing some stuff. So anyway, this is the power of creative finance. Like, I bought a house. I've never spoken to the seller. Somebody else just ran into a situation they couldn't take care of. So I jumped in, took care of it. And here I am, proud new owner of a cute gray and white house in Decatur, Georgia. All brand new windows. House obviously needed new windows. So Noah Hoffman, my Airbnb manager, did that for me. Got that taken care of. I probably want to spend a little bit of money like right here too. And maybe even like fixing the driveway a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this thing performs. So let's do a little tour. Hi.
Welcome to the Decatur Airbnb.
It's super cute and freezing cold.
It is very cold in here. Somebody had the AC turned on. So super cute. You can see somebody at some point closed in this window. It was originally a larger window. Somebody closed this in, maybe because they couldn't get a good sized window. All wood floors, which I love. This is very indicative of older houses. Is like there's a little step up right here. This is your kitchen. Step up.
Don't mistake it for your dining. This is kitchen, dining. Kitchen, dining.
Jamil, give us a tour. Walk us through.
This is kitchen. Dining. And then here you got the bedroom. Primary bedroom with a primary bathroom, and it's actually very nicely acquainted. I think Noah has done a great job. I'm extremely impressed how everything's put together. My favorite piece, though, I have to say, as an Airbnb host prior in another life, these things, you have to provide them because like ladies want them, and some guys with blowouts. If you put them in a drawer, they leave.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yes.
So Noah, I think this was a really genius thing. They mount them to the wall. This ain't going anywhere. Because if you don't put it back, it's like, yo, where's the dryer, ho?
Yeah. You think it's cute though? Like, you would stay in this house?
Dude, I totally stay here, man. This is awesome. And honestly, like,
Noah did a good job on the design and everything.
Great job on the design. I think they crushed it. I like the whole vibe. It all looks very nice. Good job.
Can you
man.
believe this small of a house has 4 bedrooms in it?
Not at all. This feels, is that an addition?
It feels like an addition. I feel like this at one point, no, it can't be, because look at the fireplace. And the fireplace is built in. Like, you look on the outside of the house, it looks like it's all original.
That's right. So this is original house.
It's missing a back porch though. It needs a back porch. It needs something.
Like just a hangout area back there. I'd say a fire pit and like a nice little table, picnic table area, and it's done.
Show me the rest of the house.
Okay, so there's this kitchen, living. It's great, good size. I bet you, does that fold out? No, that does not fold out.
That does not fold out. Jamil says that does not fold out. But that's sleeping for one person if you guys have a little bit of overflow, right?
Skinny, one skinny.
Ooh, look at this attic pull down. That's cool. Must have a full-on walk-up closet.
Oh, there's another
attic.
bedroom up there then. Hall bath's pretty good, nice shape. Again, nice touch, Noah. There's a theme here. He's had these things walk out from him too.
He's experienced in this business, right?
Yeah. And then, the bedrooms are nice. Dude, this is like cute, man. I kind of think that's romantic, All them trees.
All the vines going up the trees.
Yeah, pretty dope. This would be the second largest bedroom, right?
Yep.
And then you got here, which would be kids' room, because it's got like a day bed in there, but I'm sure that pulls out to full size, likely, maybe. I don't know. That's still, though, good enough. For another skinny person, this is a fairly big bedroom as well. 4 beds. What are you going to get a night out of here?
What do you think?
180, 200?
Yep, $180 a night. Going to be our kind of average throughout the year. There's going to be other times where it's like 320, but at wintertime it's like 125,
Yep. I'd reasonably pay that.
Yeah, for 200 bucks a night for this?
Well, our hotel last night, it was okay. I mean, it wasn't like...
What do we pay?
It was...
Probably 400 bucks?
$400 for the night.
Yeah.
So if I could stay in a spot like this, be centrally located, and like a nondescript little area...
Yeah.
That's an alternative all day.
Yes. Christina.
Yes, I'm cool.
This is on my YouTube channel, so say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody. How's it going? Seriously, like 200 bucks a night or less. This is amazing.
Yeah.
What would you guys do different in here? Anything that you would have done different? I have a couple of things.
A little bit of color.
Oh, take out the beam?
How would you take that out?
Well, the thing is there's larger attic space up in these older homes, so I'll probably throw it up there. But I would say I would have thrown a couple of extra TVs in the kids' bedrooms. So like if you're one of the adults in the Airbnb, you want to set, like go back there and watch your TV.
I would have sprayed the cabinets.
Yeah.
Because they're
White.
a little bit, yeah, they're a little gashed.
I would have done white.
I would have sprayed those white. I would have even kept the granite, but I would have sprayed the cabinets.
Actually, that's a really good point. You can see it's like worn down here. This is a new panel that they threw on here that was not original.
Yeah.
And this is not completely secure, so I'll have Noah fix that. Couple things I noticed. I would have thrown in a couple of can lights. You know, probably like 12 to 16 can lights.
And then right here, I would add some type of contrast. Like a color, maybe some...
I think we should have gone to the original window size. What he did here is this was a homeowner that was like, oh, I got to replace my windows. So they went to a smaller window size and they just framed this out. I guess that's what you do when you save money. I think when this is operating for like a good year, I'll probably take the profits of the first year, 12, 15 grand. I'll go build out a patio on the back of the house.
Yeah.
And the way you would get to the patio would be through here probably.
Yeah, I think the back door.
Like put a door somewhere over here you can walk out, and then maybe a door in that other bedroom where you can walk out as well, and you have a wraparound patio around the whole house.
Courtyard.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Little fire pit back there.
Yes, but you're right. The cabinets are beat up a little bit.
But I mean, other than that, dude.
But you got a Keurig in here. You're like dialed in. You got everything you need, man. These trees in Atlanta are just something else.
This is like a dream for me.
These trees.
Oh my God, dude. I feel so peaceful around trees. That's my jam.
So it's got a good newer roof. We had to add a new spark arrestor on top of the fireplace. This is too far away from the house though. What you need to do is you need to have two doors that come out the back of the house, and you have a wraparound patio around the back that you can come and hang out back here.
Dude, just get some plastic furniture and clean this shit up and like make that table usable and make that fire pit usable.
Yeah, you're right. I wonder what the hell's in this thing. This is a big ass building, dude. Look how deep this is.
What's it for? Is it garage?
This is like, I could have a whole separate unit. Like, look how far this goes. This is like 32 feet, 33 feet, something like that. That thing is massive. Anything back here? Just vines.
Kudzu's taking over.
What do you guys call it?
Kudzu.
That's the name of the vine?
Yeah, that's this junk right here. Grows like wildfire.
Yeah, look at that, man. It's just growing up there. So guys, there's the tour of the Airbnb. I'll do a full breakdown in a couple of months about the financials of it and how well it does. Would you stay here, Jamil?
Sure.
This is the one we were going to stay at last night, but I'm glad we didn't stay here.
Yeah, because then we would have messed it all up. It's nice.